very active. Oh no, but or take off that one. Go on to pass banana. Why would you one go so? Onekuno ha. Onuna wonu wala wajini. Ngozo la bugoro funa ni the crew through. Go where fight your battle be. Oko na ko no ha. Onekuno ha zikita.
All right, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I just saw this woman yapping nonsense. I felt that is worth sharing, and she actually called me out on the video. That is the reason why I have to react and respond to that quickly. Lazuba worldwide. Lasuba General, I hear you, and it's laughable. It's laughable that you cannot even. You are. I can see your body language, your tone, and your facial appearance. Everything is changing speedily. You know what? Let me just share this. So why I have to bring her dancing is because La Super General. La Zuba, you are your facial look and everything shows that you give different name. I have to be real. No, watch. You are forcing yourself to be happy. You know what you need to do to be happy. Lazuba General. Lazuba, you cannot just undermine the truth and expect everyone to overlook. No, it doesn't work that way. Dance, let's be from see what I'm talking about. And now she's done after attacking her that she prophesies good about the USB as US. I done you are not honest to yourself. And that is the worst thing that will happen to any human being. The worst thing that will happen to any human being is lying to yourself. It's very, very funny. I force so again. You are forcing happiness to you. You are forcing yourself to be happy, and you know what you need to do. Once your mind is not free, your mind is not relaxed. How can you not have that happiness you are talking about? It will be difficult, very, very difficult. And you are talking about Adrian and Namodino, and that people are not doing, which the lady is talking with, the release of the song and everything is not about you. That what she's saying is fact. Different from what you are doing as a work. Your job is what? You know what you know your job. I don't need to tell you. You know who you are working for and everything. Anyway, I am going straight to to the program that brought us here. This not about her dance. So Lazuba brought out a Kenena's program. I have not watched the Kenena's program, to be honest with you. I don't know what Kenena said and what the content of the message that Kenena delivered that have turned her brain. But she's here, fuming, replying to Kenena. On the course of replying to Kenena, she started calling names. Of course, myself was included. But let's go there and hear what she said.
Why didn't I become the wife had to wear poor? Why don't you change in the mud every day? Why don't you tin the mud on and on your TDT but also Tionozo or replace it with Tionozo? Why you was a say? We know Secretary of the State, Secretary of 14 State of Biafra. Haprungozi. How many governors here in the Polonano? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Either the woman here. Why judge my cover and pocket? Why judge my cover and why judge my cover your wickedness? So if I'm not joking. When you press idiot, you're a stupid woman. I yesterday went to one after to cover everything with just say. It's also been here this morning. Here, first see your share or get your program members name and the reason you go here. When can it waste you? Look at you. Are you deceiving who?
If you are proud of your program, why are you scared that somebody dig it out? Why are you like, Like seriously, you mean you hate to hear your own program? Come on, your program of last month, last 7 months, whatever. You should be proud of it. All the wajana nas before kunya. Wajan nandi aja apa nama aja nandi in the South Sudan. Oh, go Saudi Arabia. Even ya, oh, go kamu men. Lazuba general. Lazuba, you need to be proud of your program. Whether Canada dig out your 8 months program out, and you should be proud. It's not your program. Are you all those what are going to the program? All of what are gave Adajana. Lazuba. Listen.
Canada TV, send the link. If you know that you're a one, if you know that you're a two to give,
Offshore.
follow the link. Come, let us debate. Kabia fans get you on a gadget.
Okay.
If I have follow you on a sort of
How do I get back up on more?
Come on, even my talk, I talk about me, no. With calm and respect. Kaijaya will debate. Why are you people learning from debate? If your madam are doing well, I command you people, come for debate. Kelena, come for debate. Thai television, come for debate. Get over this idiot. Progress of analyze, come for debate. The only person that on debate here will
Give me progress of analyze. Lazuba general. Ima ekugone manant to get another car. Mo emi o dukwa ki mas eba because I got really mass because I'm not going to be friendly to guy they did or that, but that's just the story for another day. You called me to come for the. You say you command. You can't command me. La Sudan, Sudan. I mean, or Sudan came like another one. I done this Sudan. How can you command me? You say you command me to come for debate. Really? Command me as in what? As a are you president of this Sudan? Lazuba, you don't have what it takes to command me. That's number one. You don't have what it takes to command. But if you want to debate, let's assume that you are trying to, ask for debate. You want us to debate. You want us to have conversation. It's a welcome development. I accept, 100%. I accept. But where do you want us to debate? If I'm just asking, not on your platform, and you have to put your word correctly because you don't have any right to say you command me. Command me as my parent or what? You don't have what it takes. You don't command me. So if you want us to debate, request for it and get ready to appear on my own platform, not on your platform. Because on a cam, if you want to debate, you go. If you're not decision, I will guarantee you that I will not kick you out. I will just treat you fairly, and everybody will hear you. So if you want us to debate, come to my platform, not on your platform. So I don't want you to start celebrating on your hideout. Oh, yeah, I called them, they are running away. I'm not running away. If you want, because I'm on my own, no, you are talking about Kenena's video, not my video, and you are analyzing Kenena's video, not my video. But man, do to ogogoro now, you not you can't afford it. Almost now then have pushed you to start calling my car report. You say Kai TV is a car report. At least I won't if you want this month before month ago. And my channel name is Kai Report, not Kai TV. So since you want me to debate with you, my platform is available. So you can also come to my own. Let's talk. You need to also tell me. Okay. In fact, let me just give you my request. First thing first, not on your platform. Second thing, you need to tell me the topic of the debate. Third, I want to know your full name because you have served in cabinet and there's now a rumor because of the rumor that your name is Lasuba. So are you Lasuba or are you Adadorama or are you Adande Bonandegede? Are you Merichika Ike? I want to know because I'm confused. So that I'm allowing me to give me a debate. I prefer your because of what is flying now about Lazuba and your identity, that your place of birth happened to be in Sudan, but you are telling us watch, and I want you to clear on that. Not because I'm so inquisitive to know who you are, like your name, but as long as the whole thing is on social media, I expect you as a journalist, yes, as a journalist, I expect you to also talk about it so that you clear on that people will know who you are. Do you understand? So these are things I need from you. And the idea of you bringing somebody, and if you want to come with somebody, you let me know so I can now prepare people that also will come with me. But if you want one on one, we do it politely. We may give each other 10 minutes, 5 minutes to just talk. Then after talking, and now, if you ask me a question, I answer. If I ask you a question, you answer. We can choose how many number of questions that day you will be my, my friend, for the meantime. We are not, although we are not fighting, but you know what I mean by my friend. You have called me and caused us, you have called me and caused yourself, thinking that you are causing me all this while. And let me use the opportunity to remind you that this is Sunday. We are gonna have prayer. Our prayer is always a very big problem. It's a very another issue to you. Lasuba, let us go straight to. I have made my point on that. Let's go straight to the program of COS that have turned your brain and keep as well. So let's know what CS actually said that triggered you most.
But my hair is small boy. I don't do something with a small boy. It's an insult for me to come bring his humble rubbish. No, I'm making it. It's an insult now. I can never. For me to bring myself so low. No, 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 no. So you make a part of the money not time for that because no. I can treat you fuck up one. Fuck up one. How you just a man treat you is fuck up.
No, it's not. That's not true. The reason why you actually called us is because you like what you do. You like what you are doing. You just said that you have a love to what you like. Progress the analyst. You like Kenena, the way his program. You like my program. That's why. That's just the fact. Forget about you. What the three fuck up. You three fuck up. Who does that? You don't treat people fuck up for somebody that is better than you. Kagging in every ramification. Kevin gave it to a bit. So don't say you are treating fuck up. It's not true. Don't lie to your followers. Tell them the truth.
Because them and the jack a treat fuck up here, it's also naya. So you need to hear two treats of fuck up here. Because when they treat fuck up here every day. Are you not ashamed? In nature, even the money they well gone when they work at this room. Your madam, then they use their name. Now, only one who do media, rubbish media didn't post on social media. Only they use my own. And I'm on alcohol. And a part on page. Shame on you. Which alcohol I put my car, put on my alcohol now.
No, you don't have right to talk about people using your program. You don't have right. You know why? Because you cannot do program without people's program. Do you understand? You cannot on your camera now. Don't play anybody's video. Start from beginning. I'm not saying live broadcast like 1 hour. No. 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Can you do that? Okay, it's too far. 15 minutes video. 15 minutes. You don't do that. So without picking on somebody to talk about the person, maybe can you just talk about what is going on and your own situation for 20 minutes and upload the lesson? You can't do that, but you have to bring people's platform, people's video before you can because you were born for saga. Now, you talked about and all that. First and first, you need to understand this because that's how you are lying, and those lies is affecting you. Na ngozi kpopụtara ndị a, you don't know me. Go and check. Go to my. Is there an assignment? Go to my own platform. Scroll down, 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 down to see the first video of that my here on my platform and know which year. That will answer. Then you now connect it to what you are talking about because they put the matter. And between me and you, that's another thing. Because if you accept the debate, in that debate I would like us to swear. Yes, both of us. Since in like Umifajana and in like if I need one and all that. And even a good neighbor damn neighbor there, neighbor there, anything. You understand? I would like us to use the element and swear. What I mean by element, I'm talking about land, sun, water, and air. So we can do this once and for all. Between Monage, we received a call from Nigerian government wing, like be it politician or Hanese, anybody in Nigerian politics, okay, that have sent any delegate or called you directly or indirectly to negotiate or trying to lure you on their side to start doing something, or anybody, any of us that have actually worked for in favor of anybody in government officially, we can do that. Do you understand? Or any of us that have received money for this movement, like take this money to do this for me, to support me. Do you understand? Because you always say meaning that we are being paid or something like that. You are just joking. You a joker. And for you to think and keep on pushing that kind of narrative makes, it just simply means that you are not genuine, and you are accusing other people of what you yourself are doing. So it's not good. I cannot that I'm talking about you receiving money is because you yourself said that you received. So I cannot accuse you of what I'm not sure of. But that's a story for another day. So I hope this video you receive you watch this video in a good faith, because I would like to hear from you as well.
Anything. When I see it everywhere. No, Bunda nebe no boy, the way hey, Nanka, Otoma Bro Bank, Adam Banzan, Kawai, or Kenny. Now, Mapo, I think I send the Lekelena something. Now, I say, shame on him, no, you would.
Awkward is in and broke out the one bank. Some people will take, I don't know how to. This is a Fulani woman, right? You Lasuba. You married to Sudanese man. That means whether you married or maybe you have a child for the man, that means somehow you are somehow connected to Fulani then. Your blood or your gene is already in Fulani. And now you want to bring them also to Igbo. Tomorrow now Biafra. Right? Blood of Sudan.
Program a week guys in Finland and another. A make fundraising and fundraising. Well, what that's now. Okay, Kelly, why would you Pongos all a base? No one
I am not interested on this thing. Just
Prime Minister. Loza, where we put here the electric memo. Where we put here, can't defend the money. Somebody may overthrow the recognize. Somebody.
now I want you to pay close attention, okay? Starting from this part, you will notice that all this while that you have been recording what she said and responding to that, she has been speaking making her video in Igbo language. All right. At this point, her video, as you can see here, is 1 hour, 10 minutes, 49 seconds. This part, she have run 1 hour, 10 minutes, 59 seconds, all in Igbo language. Now she's just pay attention. She's responding to COS, because this part is where she shared some of the broadcast of COS on Friday. Okay, now watch.
People that no deny the USP. Now this woman of Joku one na. Ngozo na beze 12 one na chineka ogoko. Lie can never save you. You better tell yourself truth.
Do not take this nonsense that she's talking about. Don't take it serious. There's a reason why we are playing this part. Like I said, observe that she was speaking all in Igbo language. Now she will switch on very soon to English language.
A very confusionist.
Okay,
I'm very sorry for you.
Make a point.
Very sorry. Because I'm not we are survived all this rubbish. Now they can't. We thank you for what you do.
We thank you for your actions to ensure that we Biafrans, who are mostly Christians, are not murdered in our thousands every single day.
Oh, Ngozi, you thank her, you thank him. Because Father Toby tried a lot to save our life, to save our children's life.
Lasuba.
A man like him, a man no na dege ma.
Okay.
Ngozi on a base, where are you? When the massacre over 1,000 something now, that this last few weeks, no Kigwe, under your watch, the terrorist group that you recruited.
Nan. Everything she's saying now is in English language. Listen.
When you write, even stop the massacre. Instead of them to stop the massacre, they join hand with the people where they massacre the community and they finish everybody. I don't know that what Obatobie did is good. I think that we do more than him. Normal, we don't supposed to hear that na enwele onye nwụrụ even though to police. I thought that you are going to protect everybody. When you see, show us first name.
She is struggling to say this in English language, but she has to say that's the assignment. Many of you, when I said that this woman is working for some people, some of us think that you are saying that because you want to make a content. No, listen. Listen.
Hey, you show us your terrorist gang group that you recruited. Everybody see them. We are going to know in which country. And it seems that you recruited those terrorists. We haven't seen even a single one come out and dress Biafrans. They don't even have anybody, nobody speak. Your terror.
Now, ask yourself, why is she saying this part in English language? Why? It's a common question, or just a simple question, rather. Why is it that she has been saying all the look at the minutes here? Look at the minutes here. You can see the minutes here, right? 1 hour. Let me 1 hour 17 minutes 44 seconds. She has been saying all these things. Only just around 1 minute plus 9, she started trying to explain things in English language. You get why?
Caterpillar. We see him where we hear his voice.
We see him, we hear it. She's struggling about it, but she must deliver that part, that key words must be, that key note, you understand, must be in English language.
He will go and fight. Massacre or Kigwe. Your caterpillar come out and talk rubbish. You hear him. And he didn't condemn what your secret, what your criminal that you recruited is. Let me tell you something, madam. Back here, of Agona. Continue. China again.
As many of you are aware, Nigeria has been declared the most dangerous country in the world for Christians to live. Biafrans are Christians. We thank you, His Excellency, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. I want to use this opportunity to thank the United States of Biafran government cabinet members who are working behind the scene every day, publicly and privately, to ensure that we build one of the best, one of the fairest, one of the exemplary.
Yes, those one you will thank them. The cabinet where they support the atrocities
About English.
where they happen in Biafra land.
Did you notice that? So she must do that because she must. This is her job. This is her job. Lasuba, I don't have time to continue in this journal. She said a lot of garbage, a lot of nonsensical thing here in this video. She attacked a whole lot of people, but I have my own is, please, Lasuba, give yourself chance and accept that request. Let us do it on my platform so that you will tell the whole world how Kai report is supporting Ndobunigwa. Car report is doing this and so doing the other one. So people will hear you and you answer some question, of course. I'll answer your own as well. If you need to know that I'm not a member of cabinet, right? And you that have been in the cabinet before, I don't mind, but come let us ask you some questions. And when you are coming, please make sure you bring the evidence voice note of PM that told you to fall back, and you need to also tell us why you said you are following back, because that's where PM is, where PM stand. Then you did not tell us that PM have moved from that place where he was and now in CRC or Fallback Republic, whatever you. I don't know the one you are in. You are now maybe Lasuba's Republic, but the choice is yours. You have to give us that voice note also, because we want to be like you, if you don't mind. But if not, you remain a liar. So my people, please like the video and tell me what you think about it. I would just want to make a quick reaction to that, just to tell this woman that we are not sleeping. We know what she's doing, and her game is not hidden at all. Please like the video and let me know what you think about it. Subscribe to the channel in case if you are new. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye for now.